Hi everybody, tonight's video will be how to make an easy pom-pom with the yarn Fantastic for Fur. You could do easy and fast little pom-pom. Those balls come with 100 grams and it's very soft, and it's size number 5. To do that, never use a drill. Just go like you do cast on regularly, and you go slowly. I go fast on the video, it's because it's a video, but go fast, it's not a good thing. Go slow, it's gonna be better. Put that in your yarn feeder and then just crank until you get the 10 rows. That's the only thing you need for a small newborn pom-pom. So when you get your 10, it will be the time to cast off. To cast off, you make sure that you open your yarn feeder, cut your yarn, and put your tail in the middle of the. Make sure it's the last needle that grabbed the. Okay, remove it, put it in the middle, because we will start after the tail to pick up all the stitches with another yarn. Why another yarn? Because it's going to be easier at the end to pull everything to create your very perfect little pom-pom. So grab each stitches, very important. Take your time, you're not in a rush, and the video is less than 5 minutes, so that's good. So you grab every stitches one by one, crank your machine. It's very important to crank the machine. It's release it. It helps release the stitches from it. Have to pass through the yarn feeder to be released. That's why we always start by the removing from the left, come to the, no, not the left, the right, come to the left. There. Finish with that, put that aside, stretch it, and you got yourself yarn inside, but don't worry, we pull on the tail and the fur yarn, and you will have all the fur coming out on the right side. See? Well, you pull on it, you grab your yarn needle, and you make sure that there's no other hole in the middle. Feel it with your thumb or finger. Thumbs. Pull a little bit more, and then with your yarn needle you will go grab some stitches around just to secure it. When it's well secure, you will do a knot. So to do a knot, you just poke inside, keep some in a little loop, and then you push it with your finger and your thumbs. Don't cut the yarn, just put it in the middle, the other tail too, and it will be the filling you need for your pom-pom. And then you pull on those yarn and attach it together, and voila, you got your perfect little pom-pom for your hat. And voila, perfect every time. If you need it a little bit bigger for a bigger hat, just add some rows. So to attach the pom-pom, never in the middle, just a centimeter beside it for one side, and you do the same thing for the other side, so that way it will be very secure on your hat. Just do a double knot here. If you want to hide your tail in the pom-pom, it's okay. If you don't and choose to do it just like this, I do a double knot on my bow, and just cut the excess, and it was okay. So hope you enjoyed this little video. It's already done. Don't forget to subscribe, and I wish you a good day and enjoy your machine and your yarn. Ciao, ciao. See you next week.